Hello friends and welcome to another fresh episode of your favorite show about technology, Tech with TG. फ्रेंड्स देखो एक बात तो कंफर्म है कि टेक्नोलॉजी जो है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से इवॉल्व कर रही है. एवरी डे वी सी समथिंग न्यू हैपनिंग, कुछ नया कॉन्सेप्ट आ जाता है और ऐसे ही हम टेक वर्ल्ड में आगे मूव करते रहते हैं. इन दिस एपिसोड आई हैव समथिंग स्पेशल टू डिस्कस बिकॉज अभी हम बात करने वाले हैं about these. जी हाँ, about our smartphone cameras. Let's see a situation कि कैसे now in today's age filmmakers are ditching their traditional cameras and opting for iPhones to make movies. Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. You're watching Tech with TG. जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. See, अगर आपको ऐसा लगा कि मैंने मजाक किया the moment I said that filmmakers are ditching their big cameras और वो छोड़ के मोबाइल फोन से मूवीज बनाई जा रही हैं, तो गाइज इट्स नो जोक. लेट मी शेयर माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस. अभी रिसेंटली जस्ट लास्ट वीक आई वॉज एट द मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल. आई वॉकड द रेड कार्पेट. आई वॉज इनसाइड अ प्राइवेट स्क्रीनिंग ऑफ 5 अमेजिंग मूवीज जो इस आईफोन से बनी है. And the experience was amazing. And the simple fact is कि मोबाइल फोन्स हम सभी के पास हैं. We casually use them, we casually shoot photos या videos. लेकिन जब हम देखते हैं कि कुछ amazing award winning filmmakers इस आईफोन के पोटेंशियल को एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हैं when they utilizing this phone's camera to make movies, oh, it was so much to learn. So guys, let me take you through this entire discussion जहां पे मैंने बात करी इन फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ में और जाना that how they are making movies using this iPhone. फ्रेंड्स, एज आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि आईफोन पे मूवीज कैसे बनती हैं, आई एम सिटिंग राइट नाउ विद रोहन सर. अलॉन्ग विद रोहन सर आई हैव गॉट सौरभ एंड फराज. एंड आज हम पता लगाने वाले हैं दैट व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला, what's the kind of ingredients that you need to make a movie on an iPhone. At the same time, how has been the creative journey और overall जो movies हैं, हम बात कर रहे हैं Crossing Border, we're talking about Cloud as well. तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है सर.
Absolutely.
Yeah, चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
I think it's incredible. I hope everyone gets a chance to watch. दोनों फिल्में बहुत कमाल के हैं. आपने नोटिस किया इत्तेफाक से दोनों ने बर्फ और घोड़े के साथ फिल्म बनाई है.
पहाड़, दोनों पहाड़ हैं.
And even then they were taken totally different filmmaking styles, storytelling styles, and that is the amazing thing. Actually, the amazing thing about the iPhone and shooting on it is Faraz did a lot of research. He chose certain lenses. He did all of that because of a certain way he wanted to tell his story. And Saurav wanted to be raw, and he decided to go that route with his film. So again, shows you within the iPhone also you can take so many different parts, but ultimately, I think the heart of it is you should leave with an emotion, a connection to the story, which is ये तो 1000 साल 10,000 साल से चल रही है. That doesn't change. The iPhone is just the most incredible new tool for us to do that. Today, to see it on big screen as filmmakers, we know on the phone, on the small monitors, you can make things look good, but the challenge of saw it today, blown up. Couldn't feel a single flaw.
To be honest, so last time I saw movie फुर्सत, for initial first few minutes मैं जज कर रहा था कि मैं कहीं पे मुझे समझ में आएगा कि this is looking like a phone footage, but within 2-3 minutes I just went in. This time I didn't even think about it from the first frame and felt like a properly made movie from proper cinema cameras.
Yeah.
Just asking you this question, I'm sure you have been shooting with all different kind of cameras, lenses, bigger crews and everything. And now, given a phone, it changes everything. Yes. So how, in terms of the overall experience of execution, like the production side of it, gives you the advantage कि जब आप phone से shoot कर रहे हो तो there are certain things जहाँ पे आपके लिए बहुत easy हो जाता है.
Yeah, no, I will talk very briefly and I'm going to let them share because they are really now the experts and I want to learn from them. But I think it's just you saw the beautiful locations they got to. I think एक film crew को वहाँ पहुँचाना एक अलग ऑपरेशन है, एंड देन टू कैप्चर व्हाट यू वांट, व्हिच दे वर एबल टू डू. नॉट इजी, इट्स नेवर easy in filmmaking, but just the fact that maybe with a crew of 10 15 people you can reach somewhere you couldn't have thought of. Then you think अभी होटल कहाँ जाएंगे, कहाँ रुकेंगे, क्या होगा, and especially बर्फ में शूट कर रहे हैं in conditions that are not easy. The phone suddenly changes it, and I think it changes the mindset also. I think your whole process becomes different, but I'm going to now let them
of course.
talk about it.
Before we go to the film directors, let's tell you a little more about why the iPhone is taking over the smartphone cinema industry. The iPhone 15 did not merely get a camera upgrade. ये represent करता है एक paradigm shift filmmakers के लिए. Here's why it's making waves in the industry. The iPhone 15's power and accessibility put filmmaking tools in the hands of a vast new generation of storytellers. Budding filmmakers जिनके पास expensive filming equipment ना हो now have a chance to create visually stunning work. This can potentially lead to the rise of fresh, diverse voices in cinema. The iPhone 15 facilitate करता है filmmakers को to think outside the box. Filmmakers creative techniques निकाल सकते हैं to overcome the limitations of shooting on a phone. This push for innovation is leading to unique cinematography and storytelling techniques. अपने rugged design और advanced stabilization की वजह से the iPhone 15 makes a fantastic action camera. Filmmakers are capturing thrilling action sequences जिनको कभी शूट करने के लिए specialized and expensive equipment की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती थी. The iPhone 15 isn't just for standalone projects. इसके ProRes capabilities and compatibility with professional editing softwares like Final Cut Pro का मतलब है कि it can seamlessly integrate into larger scale productions. इसे यूज किया जा सकता है for B-roll, second unit footage और even specific scenes within major films. iPhone अब एक novelty smartphone नहीं रहा. It's becoming a standard tool. From film students to established commercial directors, इसे हर कोई अब यूज करने की सोच सकता है. We're not just talking about high-profile examples anymore. Countless independent films, documentaries, web series, and more are being partially या फिर entirely created with the iPhone 15.
Faraz, I'm sure like shooting in the temperature. So with phone, I think you have all the flexibility to achieve what you want to do.
Right.
I just want to know like if you can name a certain feature जो आपके बहुत ज़्यादा काम आया and you felt कि yeah this feature in this phone is now enabling you so that you can make a masterpiece like this.
The most incredible feature is that it lets you shoot on RAW. And the moment RAW comes into picture, that means you are generating files which are grade worthy. You can control, you'll have far more controls over the exposures, you'll have far more controls over the saturations, colors, depth of the image. And from there on, now this is the last test of an image, whether once it's blown, will it hold in cinemas or not? And that test has been proven, like, with very good results that it holds. Once we blown, put it on the big screen also, you don't see it pixelating, you don't see it becoming noisy, you don't see it
not at all.
blurring or being out of focus or cracking. These images are pristine images. The audio on iPhone is incredible. There are so many parts where my sound person could not follow us to the peaks where we were going, and it's very difficult to hold a boom in that kind of wind pressure that we have had. It's all there on iPhone, and it's all made it to the film. So I feel that it's the confluence of sound and visuals all put together that gives you that cinematic experience that we look for in cinemas.
Saurav, I'm sure the scene that you're talking about was the last closing sequence जहाँ पे बादल एकदम पूरा frame में आया था. I mean, how would someone plan for that?
That's what, like, when we thought about, like, taking the shot, had it been a different kind of a camera, it was totally impossible, like, to prepare for it, to get people behind it.
By the time you make it ready, the cloud just passes.
Exactly. So that's why it's a memorable shot, like, it just so happened, like, the way we wanted it came, and because of the swiftness of the form factor of this iPhone, like, it was fantastic, like, how swiftly we ended up. Of course, nature played its part.
Safe to say that for maybe some of your next projects, you're gonna prefer phone could be a thing for you कि ज़्यादा easily काम हो जाएगा इससे?
Of course, especially in those locations which is like crowded. Like for instance, we were shooting in the busiest streets of Kalimpong.
Market जो था scene, हाँ, yeah.
And the funny part is like we went and nobody gave us.
किसी को पता नहीं चला कि शूटिंग हो रही है वहाँ पे.
And that was like, you know, charm. Like it's like okay.
Video is taken care of, guys. Audio is being taken care of. All you need to take care of is the creative side of you.
Bring your
And
heart. That's
yeah.
the most important.
Once you have everything together, you know, we'll have a next Faraz. We'll have a next Saurav coming straight from you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gaurav.
Thank you.
So guys, once again I meet Vikram sir, and Vikram sir has been a special one because हम सब मोबाइल फ़ोन से normal videos बनाते हैं, but सर ने मोबाइल फ़ोन से movies बनाई हैं. This time Vikram sir has mentored two amazing directors to make two like great movies. So how's the experience? मतलब I know this is the same question 100 बार लोग पूछते हैं, but basic stuff आप बताओ कि like कितना upgrade हो गया है अभी और the kind of phones that we have today. अभी in the elevator you are checking gimbal. तो मतलब is it even more intriguing for you कि हाँ mobile phone has the potential now even like on a higher scale?
Definitely 100%. And I was just telling somebody कि यार क्या 2 साल आप 2 साल पहले या 3 साल पहले सवाल पूछते हैं ना तो you say नहीं हाँ एक limitation है. Phone looks like a phone. You're shooting it for the aesthetic that this is a phone and therefore you're shooting it using that aesthetic, knowing the limitations fully कि हाँ थोड़ा noise होगा, थोड़ा ये होगा, low light में इतना कर नहीं सकते हम लोग. All those limitations. अगर shake करेंगे तो artifacts आएंगे this at the other. Today, seeing these films on the screen for me is a bit of a game changer here because I'm like, this is an aesthetic. The latitude is great. Shadows and light and everything like the naked eye cannot tell कि is this shot on a
वो दिमाग पे आ नहीं रहे, देख के लग रहा है कि मूवी देख रहे हो.
Correct. It's look and it's great. It's Makhan. It's beautiful. The images are beautiful. You know, and the range of images you've shot. These films have been shot in the snow, in the desert, in night, inside a city with tube lights, with this light, with that light.
I'm sure इसमें जुगाड़ भी बहुत गया होगा.
See, they're all great directors and great cinematographers and all.
But because फोन से कर रहे हैं उस टाइप से मतलब आपको पता है कि आप टाइट स्पेसेस में कर सकते हो कुछ मतलब.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And that is there. That idea of saying that चलो यार एक आदमी घोड़ा पे जा रहा है उसके साथ हम कैमरा लेके जाएंगे ना. Normally you would think अरे यार ये शॉट लेने के लिए we'll have to put a camera वो क्रेन पे लगाना पड़ेगा because how will the camera sort of be that these guys must have just taken the camera. I mean I have to ask them. I want to even chew their brain to say यार वो शॉट कैसे लिया तुम लोगों ने यार. वो बंदा घोड़े पे जा रहा है and you've got this कश्मीर का landscape at the back and you're traveling along with
एक और चीज़ बताना आप मुझे. फॉर एग्जांपल द मूवी जो डेजर्ट में पूरा शूट किया मिराज ना, उसमें वो जो सीन है जहाँ पे हवा चल रही है, मिट्टी उड़ रही है एवरीथिंग, वहाँ पे अगर आप करोड़ों वाले इक्विपमेंट्स रखोगे तो इवन दैट्स अ चैलेंज. आई थिंक फोन इजी है कि वर्स्ट केस इफ यू सैक्रिफाइस अ फोन.
Exactly, na. So from a cost perspective, which is what I'm saying, for me the game-changing element of it, and I'm saying game-changing, and it sounds like a very big thing, but I genuinely feel when you can achieve this kind of look with this kind of gear, immediately there's a very personal element to filmmaking which has come in, which is wonderful. You know, it's like it suddenly opens up so many people to say, yeah, I don't need that. I can go and shoot something. I can shoot a personal story. I can shoot a feature film. I can do so many things. Mobile phone uthao, please start shooting. There are 5 Mami films which are by Mami which have been shot on iPhones. They are beautiful. They are different. A cinematic movie is possible on an iPhone, and I'm not joking. Check out these movies and go watch it, and you will see what I'm talking about.
लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब नाउ.
Yeah, and so go watch these movies and go make movies, yaar.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
So friends, there you have it. मतलब आपने खुद ने सुन लिया है straight from the horse's mouth that how these amazing filmmakers are utilizing the true potential हमारे इस छोटे से फोन के छोटे से मगर बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल कैमरा का टू कैप्चर द आइडियाज या उनकी जो क्रिएटिव पूरी दिमाग में चल रही है प्रोसेस उसको रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए दिस फोन इज बीइंग यूज्ड. सो द सिंपल फैक्ट इज कि आज अगर आपके पास में भी क्रिएटिव आइडिया है, इफ यू हैव एनी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी, यू डोंट नीड अ बिग कैमरा जो करोड़ों रुपए का आता है टू मेक अ मूवी. यू कैन ऑल मेक दिस यूजिंग योर फोन. एंड गाइज द फैक्ट इज दैट द मोबाइल फोन कैमराज हैव इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट. मतलब कहां पहले बहुत छोटे छोटे सेंसर्स होते थे विद वेरी पुअर ऑप्टिक्स, हमारे पास में अल्ट्रा वाइड एंगल नहीं होता था, वी डिडंट हैव द टेलीफोटो, बट टुडे द मोबाइल फोन्स आर सो वेल इक्विप्ड दैट यू हैव वैरायटी ऑफ लेंसेज packed inside this body. At the same time हम बात करते हैं low light performance की, हम बात करते हैं cinematic mode, हम बात करते हैं action mode. We have tons of features packed inside this form factor. तो it's crazy to see that how the tech is evolving. जहाँ पे एक टाइम पे मोबाइल फोन्स में कैमराज होते ही नहीं थे, एंड टुडे द कैमराज आर सो पावरफुल दैट दीज गाइज आर मेकिंग मूवीज यूजिंग दीज फोन्स. वैसे आपको एपिसोड कैसा लगा, आपको ये पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन कैसी लगी, व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स, एनी फीडबैक गाइज, लेट मी नो बाय ड्रॉपिंग योर ईमेल्स. यू नो द एड्रेस, इट्स tg@indie.com. और मैं आपसे मिलता हूं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में विद इवन मोर अमेजिंग टेक टू डिस्कस. काफी मजा आने वाला है. अभी के लिए इतना ही. सी यू ऑल नेक्स्ट वीक. हैव अ गुड डे.